This tiger jumps into the water and starts moving toward the boy who is stuck on the log, immediately takes the opportunity to climb onto the boat. Now the tiger also tries to climb aboard, but the boy scares him off by shouting loudly. The boy has a hammer, but is unable to hit the tiger. He is moved by its frightened and unconscious face. Night has fallen, and the tiger is still hanging in the same condition. Feeling pity for the tiger, the boy throws a piece of wood that helps the tiger climb back onto the boat, and the boy sits back on the log. The next day, the boy catches a fish and gives it to the tiger to eat. Seeing that the tiger is no longer attacking him, he gathers courage and climbs onto the boat. Then he trains the tiger by feeding it various kinds of fish for several days. Now the tiger no longer bothers him and becomes his friend.